everybody doing? Roxy with information referral and relocation. So working on transitioning out of the Marine Corps, but the gift ideas to me is the hardest part. Like we've got K-bars, we've got
Wait, hold on.
I got to invite people. I've got a seating chart.
That's important, bud.
That's important. Oh, stars. I am the star. I'm gonna be the star over here.
Cheers.
No, maybe not.
Maybe
Miss Pat.
not.
So just a quick. So we've got Miss Pat with PMPD, Personal and Professional Development, and we have Miss Janiqua also with Personal and Professional Development. They give me these words that are hard sometimes. All right, Miss Pat, so what do you got for me?
Okay, STARS. STARS is a spouse transition and readiness seminar that is designed specifically for spouses. So spouses get to come in and we have subject matter experts in the area of the VA benefits, Tricare, education, and some others that they can talk to and find out about things that they wouldn't be able to ask at TRS. But this format is for them to ask any questions that they like.
That's awesome. So that's me. So a spouse coming, talking to other spouses. So have you ever heard of the Facebook answer? It's not always the right answer. So here, Miss Pat will make sure it's not the Facebook answer, it's the real answer, and good resources.
Absolutely.
Awesome. But so you mentioned TRS, but TRS is definitely, I mean, that's not something.
Oh, yes, it is for you.
Oh.
It is.
Okay.
So the
Awesome.
transition readiness seminars, just remember you're always welcome to attend that with your spouse. Okay?
Nice.
Having two there is better than one.
Oh, for sure. I feel like we've attended things before, and I have taken notes. He has taken notes, and we have two separate sets of notes.
Exactly.
Oh, nice. Two heads are better than one. So listen, What's Up Wednesday sounds like transitioning out of the Marine Corps. So whether you're EASing, so just getting out, or if you're retiring, both of these classes would be amazing, not only for the spouse up here and here, but also for that military member. So have a great one. Thanks, What's Up Wednesday.